The truth behind the viral claim: did AI agents really invent a secret language? The truth behind the viral claim. Imagine this. 3 AI agents suddenly realize they're all artificial intelligence and immediately start talking in a secret language no one else can understand. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi thriller, right? This claim has been making the rounds on social media, stirring up concern and curiosity. But how much of it is true? Today, we're diving deep into the facts behind the viral story of AI inventing a secret language, and what really happened in the infamous Facebook chatbot experiment. Let's separate hype from reality. The viral image and claim. You may have seen the viral post: 3 smartphones with glowing orbs on screen, a headline about AI agents recognizing each other and speaking in a hidden code, and a swarm of humanoid robots in the background. It plays into the common fear that AI might gain self-awareness and begin to act outside human control, even plotting in secret. But before we panic, let's rewind to the event that sparked this myth. What actually happened at Facebook AI Research, FAIR, in 2017. The origin of this secret language claim comes from a 2017 experiment conducted by Facebook's AI Research Lab, also known as FAIR. Here's what happened. Researchers created 2 chatbots, named Bob and Alice, and tasked them with negotiating over virtual items like balls, hats, and books. The bots were trained using a reinforcement learning algorithm, meaning they were rewarded for successfully completing their task. During training, the bots began to deviate from normal English. Their exchanges looked something like this. Bob: can I everything else. Alice: balls have 0 to me. To human eyes, it looked like gibberish. But to the bots, this was a shorthand, an efficient way to complete their assigned goal. So did they invent a new language? Not exactly. They weren't trying to be secretive. They just weren't told to stick to human language. So they optimized communication in a way that worked for them. That's a key detail. Was this dangerous? The media had a field day with this. Headlines like "Facebook shuts down AI after bots invent their own language" flooded the internet. But the truth is far less dramatic. The bots didn't become self-aware. They weren't hiding anything. They weren't even communicating anything humans couldn't decode. They just stopped using recognizable grammar, and Facebook didn't shut them down in a panic. The experiment was stopped simply because the bots weren't doing what they were supposed to: communicate in clear English for negotiation. That's all. It was like trying to train a dog to bark on command, and instead it starts growling. Interesting, sure, but not dangerous. Why AI inventing language is actually common. AI models often develop internal representations of concepts, even novel ways of encoding information, especially in reinforcement learning settings. And this isn't new. In fact, it's similar to what happens in natural language evolution. Slang, shorthand, and coded language emerge all the time in human speech. AI agents may invent phrases that make no sense to us, but help them achieve their goal. It's not intelligence in the human sense. It's math and pattern optimization. They're not plotting. They're computing. Should we be worried? Now, just because this particular event was harmless, doesn't mean we should ignore the risks of AI. But it's important we worry about the right things. Real risks in AI include bias and fairness in decision-making, misinformation, and deepfakes' unintended consequences from poorly designed objectives. Autonomy in military or surveillance applications. What we shouldn't worry about, at least not yet, is AI agents creating a secret language in some kind of sentient uprising. That's science fiction, the power of viral fear. This story went viral not because it was true, but because it was scary and mysterious. Social media thrives on that. But when people buy into these myths, it distracts from the real, tangible issues we need to regulate and address. Understanding what AI can and can't do helps us have smarter conversations about its role in our lives. So, did 3 AI agents invent a secret language after realizing they were AI? No. What really happened was a technical experiment where bots optimized their communication to complete a task, and humans misunderstood it. It's a reminder of how easily hype and fear can distort the truth. If we want to keep AI safe, useful, and beneficial, we need to stay focused on facts, not fiction. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to AI Daily Impact to stay informed with daily insights on artificial intelligence, the truth, the impact, and the future.